trolls. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's get ready to rumble.
Na 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 na. Why am I singing this? Oh yeah. Nee 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 nee.
I like this one.
I like the cruise ship, but there are maps that are better than the DLC packs.
I got a feeling
That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. What are the enemies?
What is it?
Oh.
He walked over here so that
Oh.
Are we killing each other?
Looks like it. So I'm gonna change teams, and now I'm ready to go, okay? Looks like we're gonna have to kill each other this round, and the next round I'll set it up with enemies, okay?
Sorry, what your mark is setting off.
Looks like we're gonna have to kill each other this round, and next round we'll be killing enemies.
Alright. Are you recording now, or are you still waiting?
I'm recording. I'm recording on the stage.
Oh, God, that scared me.
I got surprised by a shot instead of knife.
Hey, kinda. I just started waving the camera randomly around and trigger.
That's what happened with me.
Following me or something?
No, I knew that you would come out of the hatch, so I shot you in the back where you came up.
I should have gone the other way.
Yeah, you should have. But even then, I would still be able to kill you.
I was thinking it was spawned behind me.
I did spawn right in front of you. You weren't in the spawn area, so yeah.
School dog wants me to join a party. Fine.
No, don't. I unfriended Cool Dog.
God damn, he's saying 16 to join the party thing. He just really wants me to play Minecraft with them.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm lagging again.
Probably because of all the message these Cool Dogs are sending. I wonder. Oh, yes, you can.
I wonder where you are.
I wonder. Oh, yeah. That is just cool. I'm going to have to tell you this little trick right after you kill me. Or if you even kill me. You even...
I heard your voice.
Yeah, I see you.
I don't see you.
I mean, it does. No, I'm not. I just wanted to die.
You scared me.
It worked! Hi.
Oh, you said a tactical insertion.
Yeah.
I think you're speaking Japanese or something.
Well, I am a merc. Why, hello, Austin, my old friend. I don't know why I called you Austin.
Dawson. Oh crap, didn't we throw that concussion?
What did you throw? What did you...
Asking through a concussion.
Why do you have concussions? Concussions?
I think that was me to put on a flashbang. I put a concussion instead.
Oh, okay.
Where are you?
I'm in the kitchen.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I think we're in the same building, you and I.
Really? Which building is that?
This kitchen?
No.
The only kitchen here. Oh my god, I'm lagging really bad right now.
Yeah? Wait, there's only one kitchen in the entire.
Yeah,
Wow.
I think so.
Yeah, there is. I'm in the other building now. One that doesn't have a kitchen.
I'm in that other building too. You're lying. I just went through the whole building.
I just got there and then I ran out while you were downstairs.
Ah! I've been trying to find you.
You've been trying? Don't try with me because I will evade you every time.
Sideways lawn chair.
This is actually a beautiful window pointing towards the other building.
That's also a really nice helicopter.
It is?
Yeah.
That's good.
One to own. A lot of those really cool. Wait, can you blow that up?
The helicopter?
It's probably like a.
Probably. Maybe.
I think it's more like a prop for added effects or whatever.
Yeah. Most likely.
Actually, where are you?
I'm at the broken window. Actually,
Oh, that's really descriptive. Broken window.
you want to hear a secret?
What?
I'm hiding in the water of the hot tub.
Want to hear another secret? I'm moving from my friends, so probably gonna kill me.
Maybe.
Broken window. Broken window. Oh, God, it's moving from my brain really bad. Not here.
I know. I just watched you walk across the window.
Watching fast food again.
Yep.
And again. Hello.
Hi, hello,
Oh my God, I can't let it aim without me lagging. Oh. You fucking bastard. You threw a tactical insertion.
Yeah, that's where I always throw them. Because I know that you would probably spawn kill me if you got the chance. Now wouldn't you?
Maybe just a little.
Ah, nice hot tub.
Ah, nice flag. Well done, game. Well done.
You don't even know what hot tub I'm in, right?
Oh shit! I found water.
I'm in the hot tub at the back of the ship.
Can I join you?
Sure.
It's so hot and magnificent. I just died.
Nice. I'm kind of stuck. Oh, never mind. I'm not stuck anymore.
Notice there's a glitch in the back of the ship where don't kill me. There's a glitch where you can actually go inside of the ship. You lie down here and go prone. You back up and you actually go inside the ship.
Let's see. Let's see if this works. Ow, ow, ow. Keep going.
I think there's like too many people here.
Oh. Hey. That was
But
cheap.
I think you're supposed to do it. Yep. Don't need to like facing it.
Only
We're
facing?
the ship now.
You have to face towards it? You could have just asked me to leave.
I don't remember how it worked, and also I thought it would work because we weren't sitting boat, and I'm actually walking inside the ship now.
You search yourself.
And it's also risk if you go prone or whatever, stand up, fall in that position, you can fall in water.
Yeah, I noticed.
I'm the best shooter in the world.
You shot everywhere except for me, and somehow you killed me. It's fine now.
Wonderful. You didn't hear that?
I heard it.
You didn't feel that?
You know I'm letting you kill me, right? Makes it
Yeah,
equal.
I know.
Besides, it's a lot more fun to die than actually live. Watch your character ragdolling.
Here's what that says. High pressure water. I can't remember. Was I just had like a level in the campaign?
I think so. Maybe.
I think he is, but I'm not sure.
I'm going to sleep.
Oh, I think I'm also in, last weekend.
Wow. I'm sleeping in the bedroom.
I'm blowing that watermelon.
Have fun with that. What?
I'm shooting bread and it's completely made out of metal.
Bread is made of metal?
Apparently.
Let's test that. Nope. Yep, it's made of
If you
metal.
just shoot it and this thing turns silver.
It does? I would
Yeah.
test that if you weren't standing right there.
I just moved. You can test it right now.
Holy shit, it is made of metal. That's what we're eating. Metallic bread. What's this button do?
Isn't that funny?
Yeah.
It's just fun to blow everything up on the
That
I should have been far enough away. Come on.
you can never be far enough away from potatoes. Wait,
I killed myself.
you killed yourself? Huh. Odd.
Yeah. The event is killing me. But I saw you. I didn't want you to get a kill. Apparently, if you kill yourself too much, you get kicked.
Yeah.
Oh my god, quit lagging. That's fuck face me now.
Well, don't know why. If you excuse me, I'm gonna shoot a glass. Oh yeah, it explodes. Good. Now made of metal.
The candles are made of metal too.
Odd. Is everything made of metal in this game?
I'm not gonna risk it. Right away.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to stop you once again. While you run for your life.
Out of here. Following me.
You don't know that.
Bodies and bodies.
You know you can hide in dead bodies, right?
Oh, crap. Yeah, yeah. Definitely hide in dead bodies.
Yeah, that's a fact.
That's where they spawn.
Until they despawn.
I hear footsteps. You're walking somewhere around me.
Or am I?
You don't hear footsteps. And you're running.
I'm not running.
93 lows, so you can tell me if you want.
I have to find you first. I can't
I
believe.
wonder, are the wine glasses made out? Nope.
No,
Metal.
I checked that a little bit ago.
It's funny that the fact perfect made out of metal, but it's real clear.
Yeah, I think they actually had to use glass physics for that.
I'm just testing everything out to see if they can be broken. Washing machine? Nope.
I wonder if your face can explode.
Is there any way to get out of the stinky dust?
No.
Where you stuck, I think?
No, you can't get away from the sticky. It sucks, doesn't it?
Yes, it absolutely does.
Or in your case, it's stuck.
Break the can, but it didn't work.
Yeah, I ran directly past you.
I actually saw you walking towards the little tunnel area down outside of you. Ooh, the bottles. Great, great.
Are all the bottles broken?
Fine. If I can eat correctly.
That's always the problem, isn't it? If you can aim correctly.
Why?
Let's see if they are able to break. Yep, they can break.
I broke almost all of them.
No, there was a lot left. I blew up 90% of them.
I destroyed 90% of it, and like half the second row and half the first row.
I blew up almost all those rows. There's 3 left. Wouldn't it be awesome if there was a secret if you broke
There's
every...
not only 3 left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
Maybe it's just individual. Maybe it's just individual. Like it's used as an individual for each player.
Maybe the younger the chips to buy more wine. There's no wine left in this map.
I know, right? Oh, there is some wine. I know exactly where it is.
Oh, you bastard!
I shot you in the ass. Now, if you excuse me, I'm gonna go break the wine.
I saw you and I was trying to get away so I could reload.
Hello.
Really? I'm just wandering around the map minding my own business.
You just randomly come out right in front of me, and did you just try to shoot me?
No, I didn't. I was trying to shoot the books.
Okay.
I was just sitting on a chair minding my own business.
Good. Good for you. Taking care of business.
Looking at the horizon. There's like a storm coming.
Yeah? Wouldn't it suck if it was like a tropical storm?
Now, what if there was like a Codbo2 meatball storm where it's raining food?
Chansey with Chansey? Yeah, Chansey with a cloud of meatballs. I'll be fair. I'm up I'm up in that area next to the command central for the helicopter and such. Hi.
I'm scared. Oh, you bastard.
Why, hello. I'm dead.
Goodbye.
You do understand I'm right next to you. Thank you for staying right in. Are you taking...
Burn out.
Oh, it's out? Okay. Bye.
I was trying to reload. I didn't see you until I reloaded.
I'm back at that spot again.
Yeah, I'm just running the opposite way.
Why?
Hey, look, a sailboat. It's a sailboat out of water. I love the detail of it.
Oh, I see that. And there's also an island out there.
Yeah, that's actually the map code.
We should go... Wait, that's the map code?
Yeah.
So if we could swim...
Because in code there's a yacht.
We'll have to check that out. Bye.
You cheeky bastard.
I'm long gone from there. I wonder. Aw, you can't fit in cabinets. I wish you could just go into a cabinet and hide, because that would be hilarious. But there's but there's like a secret that you would teleport across the map if you went into the cabinet.
If you go into the cabinet, you just go straight to the island.
Oh, that would be awesome. If it was like a 2-play map.
I automatically win.
What? How would that be an automatic win?
If you go into the cabinet and you go to the island, no one will kill you. It gets 0 kills and 0 deaths, but you're in your own match.
Yeah? Interesting. And you just ran past me.
And I'm running away, and that's a kill.
You got the last kill, but I still won. You had the final kill. Good job.
Yeah, I think way you would get the last kill because you won.
By the way, guess what? I had 100% accuracy.
What?
I had over 100% accuracy.
I wasn't even trying. If I were trying, you'd probably up to 30 kills.
I'd probably be up to 30 kills. If I was actually trying, you'd be get a ton. Okay.
I'm just walking around the map seeing what I could do.
Next time, we're going to play some more. Bye! Now, where's my mouse? Okay.